Hey guys, this is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we're going to talk about Microsoft Excel on how to make a bar graph. It is fairly simple as it is one of the most common used tools in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So in front of you, I have a data from January to December about the electricity bill on the corresponding month. To do a bar graph, or to represent this data using a bar graph, you just need to go and click Insert on the top left part of Excel and click on the bar graph icon or the bar chart icon located in the Chart tab. Just click on the bar graph and then choose the style you want. For now, let's choose a basic style. Let's just choose the first one on the list. As you can see, it is not really showing up anything. This is because we still have to select the data. Here we go. Once you click on Select Data, just highlight the cells for our data. And there we go. Now that we have that done, we can observe the electricity bill flow from January to December. We can, of course, change the size of the graph by dragging the corner of the graph. We can also change the title to correspond with the actual data we have. Since we're talking about electricity bill, let's go ahead and make that the title. Okay, so once we have that, we can freely express ourselves through the graph by changing the colors and the style. Let's go ahead and do that. Just choose any color you want. Excel has a wide range of color variety, so go ahead and choose anything that you like. And there we have it. We can choose any style we want by going to this area right here. And there we go. This looks pretty good for electricity bill. We can drag the whole bar graph to anywhere we like in the spreadsheet by just clicking on the graph itself and dragging it across the screen. And that is how you make a bar graph in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.